Hello, my name is swissbianco. This time I would like to show you the silver alox firesteel farmer Swiss Army knife. That is another limited run made by Victorinox for swissbianco. We basically started with the farmer Swiss Army knife and added the firesteel striker on the back side. This striker is made by Mr. Fischlein. It's made in Switzerland. The design was from Mr. Brunner, and it's basically used for strike a fire. You need a flint and a tinder. The complete description how to do this are in several other videos on my YouTube channel. They mainly show you how to use it. The other feature of this interesting Swiss Army knife are the same as the farmer Swiss Army knife. We have a main blade, a saw, the small screwdriver and can opener, the big screwdriver with the bottle opener, and the awl. Of course, this knife has the split ring, so you can put on a chain or a piece of paracord or bungee cord, so you don't lose it that easy. The back side has the engraving plate, so you can engrave your name or a number. We choose the silver alox color on this special run instead of the orange what we did in the past, to make it more pocket friendly. If the silver color gets scratched, it will remain silver. The natural aluminum color will shine through, so it will make for a more pocket, scratch resistant, user friendly knife in this color. It's the classic Swiss Army knife scales in aluminum, silver, hard anodized, with the red Victorinox shield. This is a limited edition made for swissbianco.